Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I am back to do another poured painting. Okay, anyways, I got everything all mixed up, and I'm using, today, all the colorants will be Liquitex. Besides, this one is Liquitex, but I've added a little black to, I think it's yellow ochre, just to get a little bit deeper. And okay, so all of these are mixed up with the base that I have, and the base is okay, it's untinted base 3, Valspar. There is, okay, 4 parts of the base, 1 part varnish. The varnish I am using is Minwax oil that is converted to use with water, and 1 part Floetrol. So that's it. I've mixed these with, these are small containers, so they have between 2 and 3 drops of silicone. I really am hoping, I want some cells, but not a lot of cells. So, you either get, seems like lately I get too many or too little. So I'm really hoping that I get in the middle. So, that's the goal. Okay, my black and my white. The black is, I'm trying house paint black, Glidden, and the white is the same thing. And they are both mixed with a little bit of Floetrol, just a little bit, and a little bit of water. Not a lot. It was just trying to get them to where I wanted them, and that's, so it's not real thick and it moves. And that's it. That's it. So, I think that's all I got to tell you about that. I'm put you down. Okay, there's my cup. New cup. And I keep thinking I'm going to switch this up, but I really always like, you know what, I made a mistake telling you that a few minutes ago. This is titanium white, and it is thinned down with Floetrol. I'm sorry, the pillow base is house. And this black is too. So I think I just put too much white in there. Get talking, I forget what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I'll do this one. So, anybody got plans for when everything gets back to normal? Right when they shut it all down, my daughter and I and my granddaughter, we were just, whoa, did you see that? Come off in a big clump. So that tells me it's way too thick. So I will just give it a little bit of water. Put it down. So I'll probably have a big purple clump. Ooh, I might have added too much water. I'm going to dump just a little bit of that off somewhere here. It's good just to add a little tiny bit of water at a time. So that will probably end up being a big purple clump somewhere. We'll see. Maybe it won't. I hope not. See that? Too thick. So I'll put that little drop of water back, maybe. Don't take much. A lot of times I'll take my spray bottle. Whoops, can you see what I'm doing? Let me sit down here. Okay. Get that out of your way so you can see. See, it's still hanging in there too long. It kind of goes sideways because I gotta I got a fan on in here I think I'm going to turn off. I guess I could have left all that water in there. So, anyways, right on, still kind of, let's see, it's, yeah, a little leggy there. Another little drop. I think I'm going to put it in here first, just to make sure I don't overdo it. Here's some. That might be better. There, it's continuously, it's not like kind of waiting. I think I gotta turn that fan off. Alright, let's try that again. Much better. Trying to think what would look good. Pull. This is just the end of this. A little leftover. Might as well add it right. Here's another little leftover orange. A little bit of that. A little more yellow. And then ooh, just see it, that kind of clumped out already. I think when I first put on it didn't seem so bad, but it might have been my imagination. Okay, there we go. Maybe I just add a little smidgy on top. Slow. Okay, that's plenty. Plenty. Okay, now this is the white that I'm going to put a little bit in the center. So it can get a little ride to where I want it to go. And then maybe, I don't know, what do I want to put on the corner? Maybe a little less black. This is a little bit thicker black. Yeah, sometimes it's not needed, but other times, as soon as you, okay. Left my towels over here. Anyways, right soon as the, my daughter and I and granddaughter, we were supposed to leave on a cruise March 12th. And before you know it, we started to get scared and about leaving. We're so excited. We haven't been on one in a while. My daughter and I used to go on a cruise every year, but because she had a baby, we haven't went for, I think, a couple years now. So we decided all of us were going to go on this cruise. We were excited, but then we got fearful. And we canceled. And the ship we were on, it was fine, you know. It came back just fine. But, you know, at that time, there were some other ones that were having all kinds of problems getting back, and people with the virus on, and so we chickened out. But I was pretty excited about it. So as soon as I open those back up, we'll probably book again right away. Oh, it's got a lot going on already. Oh, yeah, it's like you want stuff going on, but sometimes not too much stuff going on. But we may pour a lot of that off. Who knows? It has so much. It's a busy one already. So anyways, I don't know. We haven't got our money back yet either, and we canceled quite a ways before March 12th. Not quite a ways, probably the beginning of the month. Alrighty. That's there's a lot of things I actually like on this. But I also feel too, it's a little busy. So you gotta take a look at your piece, and since they're all so different, you have to kind of take a look and kind of think about, you know, what might look better if it wasn't on there, you know. And sometimes it's a hard decision to decide what to get rid of. I know I've been there a lot. I like this little white, kind of like white streak that went on in there. And there's a lot of little things I like on here. Maybe I'll pour a little more off there. It's still moving. And you know, some of the reason to continuously keep moving this or moving it until it doesn't want to move anymore is so you don't, if you put too much paint on there, you could have some cracking. So if you try to get a lot of it off until it quits moving, that's, but if you totally love it, dry it very, 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 very slow if it has an awful lot of paint on it, and that may help you to keep what it is that you're hoping to keep. And I mean really slow. Like, take your time. Don't put it in a room with a fan blowing on it. It's not a good idea. Ever. I think I'm gonna keep this. I kind of like this. Can you see some of the cool stuff going on? Anyways, I'm gonna pull that back just a little bit because a little bit over there. And once I get it back over there, I think I'm going to stop it if I can. There we go. I want a little bit more of this corner left on. And this corner, I like this one too. There we go. Yeah, I think I'll leave it alone now. I think it is done. What do you think? Anyways, all right, guys, that's it for this one. So thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.